Title: ɡræb, seizing opportunities and possibilities. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡræb. Ɡræb is a verb that means to seize or take hold of something quickly or eagerly. It signifies the action of taking opportunities or possibilities with determination. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡræb is simple, ɡræb, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, if you want to succeed in life, you must be willing to grab the chances that come your way. Importance: grabbing opportunities is an essential aspect of personal and professional growth, as it allows individuals to make the most of their circumstances and aspirations. Conclusion: in summary, ɡræb is a word that represents the proactive approach to seizing opportunities and shaping your future. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace the spirit of grabbing life's possibilities with enthusiasm and determination.